I'm not sure what is happening here, but whatever it is definitely for good. You're welcome to the premiere of Oversabi Aunty, the talk of the town. I am here to bring you the fashion, the beauty, the glam, and everything in between. I am very sure you're going to enjoy this video. This is really beautiful. This is where you get the latest fashion, the trendy wears, the celebrity gist, and the current premieres. Now, I want this to be conversational. What do you know about this fabric? What do you like about this look? Who is the wearer? What do you know about her? What's her name? And what does she do? I want this to be the conversation for the comment section. Let me see your reply. This is Liquor Rose in her black dress, and this is looking really nice. This is super beautiful. I'm sure you love the color combination and the touch of red. Alright, I'm going to allow you to enjoy the rest of the video. I remain Queen the Creative. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye for now.